When a line bends, a shape begins, by Rhonda Gowler Green and illustrated by James Kaxman. A line is thin, a line is narrow, curved like a worm, straight as an arrow. A line is a jump rope, black ants in a row, a tug-of-war game, and a violin bow. A tall pole for fishing, a leash and a trail, a kite string, a shoelace, a whisker, a tail. Yes, a line is fine, but when a line swerves, when a line bends, watch what can happen. A shape begins. A square is four sides all the same, the boxes of a hopscotch game, a patch to cover up your knee, a present sent from you to me, a checkerboard of red and black, blocks to build with, share and stack. A cracker is a square to eat, a square dance is happy for our feet. A rectangle is like a square with something rearranged. Two sides are long and two are short. The four sides now are changed. Rectangles, a book to read, a window and a door, a picture hanging on the wall, a rug that warms the floor. A sign for selling lemonade, a box that you can hide in, a letter from the postman, and a wagon two can ride in. A triangle is three sides, three corners, two. A white sail of a boat, a tent built just for you. A jack-o'-lantern's eyes, a wicked witch's hat. The beak of a black crow that pricked ears of a cat. An instrument to ring, the pyramids of old, a lunch of jam and bread, and a napkin in a fold. A diamond sits upon a point. Its four sides are the same. A giant green one is in the infield of a baseball game. Yellow ones along the road serve as warning signs. Black and white ones stand out bold in fancy floor designs. Baby's gates are wooden ones that you can stretch or squeeze. A ballerina's legs form one when bending at the knees. A circle's a button, a sock hole to mend, a shiny blue marble, a penny to spend, a bubble, a yo-yo, a red hula hoop, the bowl mom fills with hot noodle soup, a nest in a tree, a cookie to eat, cymbals to clang, a drum to beat. Bicycle wheels, a tin tambourine, a tiny curled kitten, a crown for a queen. An oval's like a circle, except it's not as stout. Two sides go in to make it thin. Two other sides go out. Oval is a turtle's shell, a way up high balloon, a beetle, and a jelly bean, the curved scoop of a spoon. It's a mirror made to look in, an egg all colored bright, a mouth that's filled with singing, and a baby bundled tight. Star is a five-pointed shape shining bright. Star shares the sky with the moon late at night. It tops tinselled trees in a season so merry. It sits on the tip of a wand of a fairy. Gold ones are given for good work in school. The sheriff star warns the bad guys of rules. A shooting star vanishes quick with a swoosh. Star is even the shape of a fish. Heart goes beat, 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 beat inside you all the time. It's also the shape that says, I love you, Valentine. A crescent is a slender shape, a yellow fruit to eat, a hammock strung between two trees for Dad to rest his feet. It's a smile when curving up, when down it is a frown. It is the moon when day is done that hangs above our town. An octagon has many sides, all counted there are 8. You see it at the corner, it tells cars to wait. Shapes are here, shapes are there, wherever you look, a shape, a square, a diamond, octagon, crescent, or star. Shapes to discover wherever you are. A rectangle, triangle, oval, or heart, shapes with a curve or a corner to start. Anywhere, everywhere, shapes big and small, dependable, bendable, lines make them all. The end.